is my brother's 2006 Fiesta Freedom 1.25 Duratec. It's in very tired condition at the moment. And just have a look around it, and it's going to form the basis of a project which will undergo all the rectification of all the problem areas and bringing it back up to exceptionally good condition. So let's have a walk around and look to see what the problem areas are. The obvious one on the face of it is a nasty scuff on the rear bumper and the rear wing. That's relatively easy to fix. Another problem is a nice little crack on the bumper. That's going to be more difficult to fix, but I'll give it a go. If not, I'm sure I can find a replacement part. While we're at the back, a scratch there, and some idiot stolen the rear badge, but that's what you get these days, I'm afraid. As you can see, it hasn't been kept in tip-top condition from the state of the paint and all the grime. Also, as you can see, the trim part on the door has been stolen. That's on both sides. It's actually growing algae on the top, as you can see. Fortunately, the front badge is still there, so we've got one of them. Lights are very dull, but then again, that's an easy fix. The tyres are 3 years old, and there's still plenty of tread left on them. So they'll be okay for a few more years. Inside again, it's looking tired. It just needs a really good refresh. It's basically inside. It's a good condition. If you got to guess at the mileage on this car, you'd probably say 80, 90, 100,000 miles. Let's have a look. Yes, that's right, 14,358 miles since 2006. So this car's worth saving. As I say, it's just been neglected, and there are other issues which I'll go into in a minute. But if we were to sell this now, we'd probably get £200 for it, and that seems a bit low, but I'll tell you more about that in a short while. The engine reflects the outside of the car, neglected. As you can see, it hasn't been cleaned under here. I don't think it's ever been cleaned under here, to be honest. But it needs much more than a decent clean. Okay, let's start it up and see what happens. The engine sounds fine, and there's not really anything wrong with it. What is showing there? The ABS and engine management light. It was taken into Ford to have a diagnostic, and the result of that was that the ABS module is faulty and needs replacing. The ABS pump needs replacing, and when I've just driven it, the steering is extremely hard to move, and the steering pump has gone. So those jobs altogether would cost over just over £2,000 for the Ford dealer to fix. But that's going to form the basis of these series of videos. We're going to rectify all the problems, give the exterior a really good detail, fix the bumper, sort out what's wrong with the ABS pump and the module, see if we can fix it for a damn sight less than £2,000. And then I think we'll have something that's worth a lot more than that. Before we go, one simple little fix which has just bugged me getting in and out of the car is that that's loose. So a quick little tighten up should fix that. That's bit's fixed. Lots more to come though. So if you want to see what happens with this little car, please subscribe, like and follow. There'll be a lot more in-depth videos to come on fixing all the problems, any other problems we might come across. So please subscribe, as I say. Lots more to come. Thanks for watching.